Repairing cracks in our asphalt driveway. Let's get started. All right guys, I'm getting ready to seal this driveway. It's been 4 or 5 years, but before I do that, I have to go ahead and repair some of these large cracks. And I want to show you the process in doing this. Today I'm going to go ahead and use this Pli Stix. It's basically an asphalt rope. You go ahead, you clean out the crack, you place this in the crack, and then you melt it. I'm hoping that Pli Stix is a better solution to this large crack. It stays pliable throughout the whole year, especially in the winter time and spring when things tend to shift. Now there is some prep work to do in preparing the crack for the Pli Stix. Let's go ahead and show you what I've done on one of the cracks. I still have one more to go. Here are some of the tools I'll be using. In this project, I'll be using a leaf blower, a weed trimmer. I also have a tank of propane, 20 pound, along with a torch. Also have a trowel and a flathead screwdriver to help clean out the crack. In this first crack, it's pretty much ready to go. This morning, I went ahead and I heated up the crack to just go ahead and kill off anything I couldn't pull out as far as weeds. Then I used my pressure washer to clean it out, and then screwdriver to get anything fine, and then one more pressure wash. I'll show you the process in the next crack as we go ahead and fix that one. Here's a look at the second crack I'll be working on. Lots to dig out there. Just want to mention that you do not necessarily need a pressure washer, but it does make the job much easier and faster. Turbo nozzle did a nice job in removing the top layer of that speed patch. It's probably been 2 or 3 years since I repaired this crack. So I'm going to go ahead now and change out my nozzle on the pressure washer. Just use a more fine or narrow beam. See what else I can get out. Use a screwdriver to move some of these chunks. Let's get the big ones there loose. Now Pli Stix says you can go ahead and use sand in here first as a layer, then you can use less Pli Stix. But I'm going to go ahead and use all Pli Stix here, multiple layers, because I want it to be really pliable. Pressure washer did a great job, both nozzles. Getting it all out here now, it's really loose, it's good. Saw some gravel too, so we know we're down pretty far. Are looking pretty good. Just need to go ahead and let things dry up here. Then we can go ahead and apply the Pli Stix. I'm going to stuff this right down to those cracks as much as I can, and then overlap a little bit here. And I know I'll need multiple passes on some of these deep holes, and that's okay. Also, you can just cut this with a utility knife or with a set of scissors. So I'll go ahead and do about half of the driveway. See how it applies down, because I've never used this before. Then we'll come back and do additional strips. Alright guys, first look at the Pli Stix. I know it looks a little rough, but the product is doing exactly what it's supposed to be doing, seeping right into that crack. So using that big torch, things go pretty quickly. You can see over here where most of the product stayed up. That's fine. I'll have to go over it again, at least 1 or 2 more times. I'll continue adding more Pli Stix to the crack, use multiple layers. I want it all filled in, so when winter comes in the spring, when this pavement moves, it'll be pliable and the crack will remain filled in. Alright guys, it's the following day. You can see I'm set up under a tent. We had some slight rain, but not an issue because it's nice and dry under here. I'm going to go ahead now and finish up doing this crack. I got about half of it done last night, 4 layers, but I did change up my game plan. So let's go ahead and take a look at things. Alright, so here's the crack filled in from last night, and it's repelling all the rain. Very nice. For the remainder of this crack, I'm going to go ahead and fill it in with some sand, bring it up to about a 1/2 inch to a 1/4 inch from the top. Then I'll use the Pli Stix to cover it. Before, I was just using too much product. I also changed my torch. I'm using a smaller propane unit. While it takes longer to melt the Pli Stix, it does provide for more control. All right, things are looking pretty good. I came up a little short in a couple of areas. This is a good opportunity to go ahead and just drip some in. You can just heat it up and spread it out evenly. That's what I like about using this little torch. You got a lot of control. Final look at that new section I just completed. You can see how nice and clean things are. So this is definitely the way to go. Sand, fill it to the top, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch from the top, and then go ahead and melt your Pli Stix, then finish it up with a drip. All right guys, this seems to be a pretty good method. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of the crack, then I'll show you the final results. One more look at the completed repair. This is last night's work where I used a lot of product and a lot of flame, a lot of heat. Less product, less heat in here. And then from here to the end, I just dripped everything. And that came out just as well as the middle section. All right guys, just want to share a few thoughts on Pli Stix. Hey, look, when I figured things out with this using sand and the correct amount of heat, this product worked out really well. So I'm curious to see how it stands up over the test of time. we'll see. I'll do an update at some point. Looking forward now to just getting this driveway sealed. All right, guys, it's a couple weeks later. I want to show you where I'm at with the driveway. Took some time off, had family visiting and so forth. Did some repair over there. I used speed patch here and there. Let's take a look at those 2 original cracks I filled. Here's what it looks like. And again, I'll be going over this soon with sealer. That's the one closer to the road. Here's the one closer to the driveway. Went ahead and cleaned all this. And I just had the end of the driveway to do. Poured it nice and thick over there on the seam. It's looking pretty good. Got a little piece of grass right there, but not a big deal. Cutting the edges here, getting family members to help out with the cutting. And I'm doing the squeegee work. Alright guys, in the end, tackling these 2 large driveway cracks with Pli Stix, then seal coating the entire driveway ourselves was absolutely worth the effort. The Pli Stix gave us a heavy duty repair for those problem areas, while the fresh seal coat ties everything together and gives the driveway a clean and finished look. Doing this entire project ourselves took some time and plenty of work, but we saved hundreds of dollars compared with hiring it out, and we're really happy with the results. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, come on back for more videos. Take care and have a great day.